All right, guys, good day. Depending on where you're watching from, good morning, good afternoon, good night. I don't know where this video is going to get to in the next 5 years or something. That will be when I will be a millionaire, because I'm sure this is going to happen someday. So I am not trying to show you my wallet. I don't have much. But then look at this. I just added $100 worth of KINKA to my bag. All right. Thanks to sellers. I believe in the token, so I'm buying more. And then I just noticed, look at it. I'm seeing WikiCat and GTAN added to me, just like we said. So this is the real reward token. When you hear reward token, it was actually talking about KINKA token. Trust me, that word was coined for KINKA token. So all you have to do is make sure that you toggle your WikiCat on and your GTAN on. This is actual GTAN. This GTAC is GTAN. Look at it. Okay. So now, I never had any of these tokens before. You get. Now look at what KINKA is all about. It's a reward token, a community-driven token, multiple utilities, you understand, to keep the token sustained. And now deflation, the more there are buys and sells, it is burning, making the supply to be limited, and that will do what? Propel the value. You understand? So I don't know, this is like the best investment anyone can do right now in 2026. It's a very strategic one. KINKA is that narrative you hear, buy one, get two free. You're seeing it now. I bought KINKA and I'm having this and I'm having this. All right. And it will continue. KINKA is something I also love to call, we rise by lifting others. You see? So it's a win-win situation. Now, it is good to buy WikiCat. It's good to buy GTAN and even KINKA. Maybe you don't have the money to get the three of them. Now, it's a very strategic one. Pack this one. Just buy KINKA. And then you'll be getting WikiCat and be getting GTAN. What a sweet investment. Now, another reason is WikiCat's value is actually high. Like I said, it's a very good token. Trust me. So if you cannot really buy it now, and that of GTAN, then this is a very good investment to make. Just come and buy KINKA. You see? And then you will get this one and get this one. And that is the way it will continue. Trust me, I don't know. Like I said, in the next 5 years, we'll come back to this. And maybe if I have not removed anything from any of them, we'll see how much has been added to this, because I believe it will be adding. So you can mark the value. I have a 5,300,590.773926 WikiCats. That's quantity. The value is just 0.64. Okay. I didn't have it before. I never had it. Now GTAN is 129,905,605.759833 in quantity, which is 0.63. So I think it's just the same percent that they shared to me. So go and buy this, a strategic one. Like I said, this is buy one, get two free. This is something you can also call we rise by lifting others. All right. This is the best token. Omo. God, I beg you. And then see, poor man now, I don't have nothing. All these ones are dumped on me since, but I still left them because I know I made a mistake. I said it before. I bought this KINKA last year with $200, and that would be the highest I've bought any token because I didn't have money. This one I'm buying now, trust me, it was from my house rent I used. And I'm not saying anybody should do that because this is my own conviction, all right? I need to take a risk for me to rise. And so that it will be something I'll talk about tomorrow. I can't see this opportunity and leave it. This is the same token that when I had a little spare money, up to $200 last year, 2025, and then I bought in. The mistake I made was after buying around 45,000 market cap, because of the whole crypto crash and all that, everything came down. I chickened out. Now you should know that the quantity should have remained. Now that KINKA is back to, I think, 30,000 US dollars market cap, I would have gotten back my money and still be waiting for my proceed, right? So for me, holding is the best thing. Those people that have posted their account sometime online, saying they bought a token for how much now? I think I heard a story of $17 that gave someone $1 million US dollars. I was like, what? I think it is by holding. That's the only way you can do it. There was a time BNB was at 0 point something. Now look at it. Even though it has done, look at it, $600 sitting here. All right. That's the value right here. So imagine one KINKA at $1. So please go and buy this token. I'm not trying to motivate you, not a financial advice. Please do your own research, go to the website and everything, and you don't have any mistake. Okay? You don't have nothing to lose. Use your spare money. But as for me, I have the strong heart. I know I want to leave poverty. I'm going to hold strong. People that are selling, like I said, thank you. You helped me to add to my bag. And the momentum today is, I think today is what? 9th of April. If I'm not mistaken, today is 9th of, let me check. Today should be, 9th of April. So keep the date, 9th of April, 2026. Thank you for watching this video. Bookmark this. Make reference to it. Show it to others. Use it to motivate them to buy tokens and hold. Use it to motivate others to buy token and not just buy to go now. Now, this one is low. Buy KINKA.